style of color-changing wrap is right for your vehicle. Not all car wraps look the same, and your choice says a lot more about you than you think. At Sun Control of Minnesota, we transform vehicles with color change wraps that completely shift the look and personality of your ride. Gloss wraps give you a bold, shiny showroom finish that stands out instantly on the road. Matte wraps are smooth and non-reflective for a clean, stealthy, modern look. Satin wraps sit in between, a soft premium sheen that feels subtle but elevated. Metallic wraps add depth and shimmer for a luxury feel that shifts in the light. Chrome wraps are mirror-like, bold, and guaranteed to turn heads anywhere you go. Color shift wraps change tones depending on the light and angle for dynamic moving effect. And every wrap also protects your factory paint from scratches and wear. Each install is carefully applied for seamless professional finish. If you're ready to transform your ride, Sun Control of Minnesota can bring your vision to life.